Hey guys, before we start this video, we had our giveaway and we met 100 subscribers because the rules got changed, as you saw in the last video. And Tony has the winner right here. Oh, what was his name?
No, I'm just kidding. Sellers Connor, right? Sellers Connor?
Connor Sellers.
Connor Sellers?
Yeah, so congratulations, Connor. And
I believe that's his Instagram name too. Connor Seller.
Yeah, we'll put it down below if any of you guys want to check him out. But enjoy the video. Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. If you haven't already liked and subscribed, if you could go ahead and do that right now down there. But today, Tony's going ahead and putting on stickers on vehicles.
A little bit of reppage.
Yeah, doing it for the brand.
This is good material.
Oh boy.
Ooh.
What was that? Was that an air bubble?
Dude, air bubbles is like nitrous. It'll go fast.
Yeah, repping it on the vet. But
it looks pretty good.
Yeah, it does. I'll come back to you. I'm gonna tell them what's up. Today, if you checked out our last couple videos, I'll put the link up there. But we are ripping off this stock LS1 intake manifold and fuel rails. I got a new fuel rail setup that should be able to support more with all that Racetronics and the bigger injectors. So I got big plans for this thing, and I'll tell you more about them later on. But we're going to be going ahead, ripping that stock intake manifold out, taking these lines off. Pick it up.
See, that's why these ones are a little bit of a
mess.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. There you go. Dude, why couldn't you get black for the vet to make it all matte?
Because no one would have seen it.
I guess you have more common sense than me. But yeah, alright, so we're going to get back to doing all this work, so stay tuned. Alright, so how are we going to do this, bud?
Definitely not in the garage, I guess.
Yeah, because wheels and tires, who needs those?
Yeah,
but
we'll get those on eventually. So, I mean, I guess we'll do what we do best. What you do best.
Freeze?
Tear it apart.
Oh, I do. I am pretty good at tearing things apart.
No, but really, we're just gonna, you know, just start taking off the fuel rails, the fuel system, because that's what's in the way first, and then the intake.
Yeah. So
let's get to it.
I'll be back. Messed up, or should I? Alright, so like I got a little overzealous and all these plastic clips are kind of old, so they kind of broke off on the side, but it should just be like this top one, so it should be good. We'll see. We'll probably have to go to O'Reilly's and get dielectric grease to make sure it's good, but you know, lessons learned, you know. What's the lesson of the day, Tony?
Yeah, that's the lesson of today.
Yeah, don't let me work on cars. JK, please let me work on your cars. This throttle body pretty nasty, if you see that. What we say about dirty throttle bodies, Tony?
We don't say anything about them. We just run them.
And respect them?
Yes.
Yes, we respect dirty throttle bodies because people are too dumb to remove the EGR. But yeah, another time lapse? Or you want? You got a joke of the day?
No joke of the day. It's too cold.
Can I tell a joke of the day?
All right, yeah.
What's yellow and can't swim? A school bus full of children.
Oh my God! All right, let's get this off.
So we got this piece of junk off. Tony's really excited about that. Aren't you, buddy?
Yeah, I can close my hood maybe.
Oh, dang. That is not large.
Smell in there.
That's just straight gas. I told you it was a little rich. All this is dirty. These gaskets are worn down too.
No, those are still fine.
Are they?
Yeah.
Because I thought they were supposed to bubble up a bit so they could create a seal.
And that's why you put down bolts. See how far they stick off? They're not supposed to be gigantic.
Yeah. But we're going to go ahead and stick that end plate on that Speedmaster back there. And then we're going to go ahead and port that throttle body that we pulled off to Tony.
Yeah.
The porting genius.
Yeah.
You got any words of wisdom for porting?
Don't try this at home, kids.
Yeah, and get these longer carbide bits because these shorter ones don't reach in as far, and you can see the difference just on how much they can reach and the farther you can go down, you know? It's not how big it is. Actually, it is about how big it is in this circumstance and the motion of the ocean.
Yeah, I'm ready to rock and roll.
All right, time lapses.
Oh, the top part.
Better pattern.
It's on time lapse.
No, it's on normal video, but I'm gonna go and just mute the audio and speed it up. What you doing there?
Oh God.
Dude, what's the matter? You're a superstar.
Dude, why are you always stalking me?
Because we live together. But Tony's getting this whole Speedmaster intake manifold put together so we can throw it in the car. Look at my little pup. She's got a scarf on today. She's looking extra cute. But Tony's putting this whole Speedmaster intake together, and I have a little bit of a project to do because even though the previous owner said they did a whole EGR delete, they didn't. They just unhooked the pipes but left them all in there. And hey, it's a race car, so every ounce counts. What are you laughing at that, man? Come on. We're on a diet right now. That vegan lifestyle.
Yeah, that 2 pounds.
What are you about to do?
Oh, you know, just some Americanized, but I'll just wait, you know, until you're not looking.
Oh God.
The finished product on
yeah.
this messy table that we've got to clean, but this thing made a mess.
Yeah, but we got them jegs, fuel rails on there, AN, stuff capped off that we don't need because YOLO.
That fuel or that throttle body looks really nice.
But it'd be tiny compared to this massive
Got the
monster.
adapter, so if you guys do want to run your stock throttle body to this intake,
ICT.
Yeah, I mean, how
ICT,
much was
baby.
that?
Like $20.
Yeah,
honestly.
it's a good billet piece.
It comes with a gasket too, but yeah.
And so we weren't able to run the stock injectors like we wanted to.
So I just had to put my 80s on there.
With
nothing else done to the car. So we'll see how this goes.
I'll tune it. We'll see how it goes.
All right.
We're gonna make some power, baby.
Oh yeah, for sure.
What are you doing?
Dude, ready?
What is... Bro, I didn't even see that. Wait, look, pull it back so I can show the peoples. Yeah, Tony...
Dude, a little branding.
Yeah, he got creative. Why are you doing multiple colors?
Dude,
oh, red,
America.
white, and blue. Yeah, raise up, raise down, yee yee.
We'll use paint one day, but...
Dude, Cletus would be proud.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, we're gonna finish up our shenanigans in here. Then we're gonna throw it in the car that currently has an open engine bay and kind of a damp day, you know, because America. Hey, you have an amazing singing voice. I just wanted to tell you that, you know?
All right, let's put this shit in. God damn it.
Well,
now you're going to have to cut it out of here.
No, I'll just breathe it. Oh, well. But we're having some clearancing issues with this.
Dude,
back
I need
of the
this
wall.
water pump. See how yours goes straight? I'm going to need it.
Well, no.
Right now.
No. Can we get this so the vet runs again?
Dude, see, look. That's where mine is.
Yeah, I know.
That's crazy.
I mean, it's only like it's a water pump for a car, not a truck, but...
It's just crazy how, like, it's literally stamped out the same.
Why does that look like it's pushed up? Oh, well. Hey,
All right,
problems to worry about later.
Let's try to get this shit on. You get to stand on this muddy side.
Hey, but did we get that clearancing problem finished?
I don't know.
Okay, so back to time lapse. So we failed epically at that and had
beat up a Corvette.
Yeah, so apparently the firewall is kind of made of fiberglass just a little bit, but it's a C5, so who cares what happens to C5s?
But yeah, so basically the back of the intake, just from what we can understand, it wasn't going all the way in because of the fiberglass firewall, or fiberglass, whatever it is. I'm not sure if it's completely the firewall, or it's the coolant vent lines and the valley cover bolts because they're not flush, or it could be a number of both of the issues. So have to order some new parts.
Honestly, it's probably just a combination of those coolant crossover lines pushing it up in there because there's still about like half an inch of space there. But thanks for watching us fail today. It was tons of fun, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But make sure you guys like, subscribe, be ready for new content. We'll eventually get this intake on the Corvette once these new parts come in. Thanks guys for watching.